Intuit. Accessibility.
This video will show you how to create an expense using QuickBooks for the iPad with VoiceOver.
QuickBooks.
To begin, in the Company Activity page, flick right until you hear the Global Add button.
Company Activity. Global Add button.
Double tap on this menu and flick right until you hear the option for expense, and then double tap to create a new expense.
Customer. Vendor. Invoice. Sales receipt. Payment. Expense.
You have now entered a new screen. To begin, flick right until you hear amount, and then flick right again to double tap and give an amount for your expense.
Cancel button. New expense. Save. Dimmed button. Expense. Amount. Amount paid. $0. Text field. Double tap to edit. Select all.
Following amount paid is receipt picture. Double tap on this to either take a picture of a receipt or choose a picture that you already have and add it to your expense.
Add receipt picture. Take photo button. Choose photo button. Take photo button. Choose photo.
Flicking right after picture receipt will lead you to how will you pay for your expense, which can be cash, check, or credit. Double tap on the way that you will be paying.
How did you pay for it? Cash, check, button. To credit, button. Selected. Credit, Visa.
Following the type of credit card is the category button. Double tap this and a sidebar will appear on the right. You will then be able to either create a new category, search for a category, or flick right and search through different categories for what your expense is, and then double tap to categorize what your expense is.
Category, button. Find an account. Search field. Find an account. Search account filter menu. Edit button. Create a new category. Cost of goods sold. Find an account. Cost of labor. Freight and delivery. Other costs. Cost of goods. Purchases. Costs. Category button.
After selecting your category, you can either save your expense or flick right and then double tap on more to add more information about your expense.
More button. Less.
After double tapping the more button, more options are given to fill out for your expense. Flick left until you hear the vendor button and double tap to give the name of the vendor who the expense is for.
Less. Add split. Description. Vendor button.
Double tapping on the vendor button will bring a sidebar to the right, which will allow you to search through vendors, create a new vendor, or just search through the different vendors you have and double tap on the one you want to create your expense for.
Find a vendor. Search field. Find a vendor. Vendor filter menu. Create a new vendor. Capital J. Janice Lee. Jason Tom. Button. Jerry Toll. Button. Jerry Toll. Vendor.
Flicking right after the vendor button will lead you to anything you need to remember, which you can double tap and edit to give a note for your expense.
Description. Anything you need to remember.
Following this is an add a split button, which you can double tap and then create a way to divide the money.
Text field. Add split. Button. Less. Button.
You can also change the date and the ref number, which are found in the middle left of your screen. Otherwise, if you are done, you can drag your finger up to the save button at the right corner and then double tap to save, and you have now created an expense.
Save button. In progress. Expense. Company activity button. Expense. Heading. Edit button. Action.
Intuit. Accessibility.